Ready? Hi, everybody. We're here to talk about the new Morgan Vest and the KAL that's starting in just a couple weeks. So we have the designer Taylor with us. Taylor, tell us about the KAL that's going to happen.
Yeah, so I'm really excited to host this knit along. It starts on Sunday, January 21st. Um, and it'll run for 8 weeks, and we will meet on Zoom every other week. But I will be available to answer any questions whenever you need them. So I'll make sure once you're signed up that you have my email. And yeah, I'll on the Zoom meetings, I will be available to show any technique that you might need help with, and I can go through the pattern if you have any questions. And also, it's just a really fun way to get together and knit and get to know each other. And I also kind of want it to be like a self-care time for you. So, yeah, I just think it'll be a lot of fun.
Perfect winter thing to do.
Yes.
Very
Mhm.
exciting.